How to draw a school of fish, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our school of fish, we're going to begin by drawing a small circle towards the center of the page, and we're going to leave a small white dot in the center of the circle. For everything else, we're going to leave it black. Then, a little to the right, we're going to draw a small shape, which will be the fin of our fish that will be facing us. Once we're all done making this fin, we can go ahead and draw a larger circle around the first circle that we drew. This will be the eye of our fish. So now that we have the eye and the fin of our fish drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the outline of the body. We can make this outline by drawing two curved lines, one above what we just drew and one below. Each of these two curved lines will connect on the left hand side just in front of the circle to make a small point. Nicely done. Our first fish is coming along very well. Now in this opening on the right hand side, we're going to want to go ahead and draw the back fin of our fish. So now we still have to draw two more fins for our fish, but before we do that, let's add some small detail. Let's draw a small curved line right below the eye, which will be a small mouth for our fish. Then, on the tail, we can go ahead and draw three small lines for detail going from left to right. Nicely done! Now on the top and bottom of our fish, we're going to draw two small fins that look similar to triangular shapes. If I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Well done! Now before we move on to our next fish, I'm going to go ahead and add a small detail just below the eye and the fin to make a little bit of a scale look. Nice! Right above the mouth, I'm going to go ahead and draw two small circles to make little bubbles that appear to be coming out of our fish's mouth. Then, we can go ahead and draw the four other fish that will be in our school of fish. Now the next fish that we draw will be right above and to the right. All of our fish should be very similar in size and they could all look the same based on my drawing. If you want to make other fish, then that's okay as well. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention earlier in today's video that if you're looking for a new place to draw, or if you want to see more drawings just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button because we regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this. Next for this fish, let's go ahead and draw another curved line right below, connected at this point. Fantastic! Similar to the last fish that we drew together, we're going to want to go ahead and draw a back fin in this open space. Well done! Now let's go ahead and add some detail along with a fin above and a fin below. And don't forget that if you're enjoying today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Also, be sure to comment what other fish you would like to learn how to draw or anything else sea creature related. Nicely done! Now let's go ahead and draw the third fish on the top left hand side of our page. Then, the two other fish that we draw will be right below. I think a really cool idea for this drawing, if you wanted to add more than just the fish, would be to add seaweed coming up from the bottom and maybe a blue background for the water. Now I'm not going to do that myself, just because it would be a very long video, but if you want to take a picture of that and use hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub on all of your social media accounts with the picture that you draw, I'll be sure to check it out and look at it for you. Fantastic, this looks great. Now let's go to the bottom right hand side of the page and let's draw our fourth fish. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Oh no, I just realized that I made a mistake. I didn't add on 2 small circles for the bubbles, right here. Let's go ahead and do that, then move on to our 5th and final fish. The 5th fish that we draw will be right below in the bottom left hand corner of our page. You know, I just thought saying 5th fish 5 times could be kind of tough. Let me go ahead and try it out. 5th fish, 5th fish, 5th... I can't do it. Can you? Nice, really close to being done. Let's go ahead and add some small detail along with the 2 other fins right above and below. Don't forget, the next I'll show you a picture of my drawing which will be all colored in. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a cartoon school of fish. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like and comment down below what your favorite part was, or what else you would like to learn how to draw. Don't forget that if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.